Here's Widgetable, how to install coparenting pet widget. So just go to the pets. You need to have this coparenting enabled. So as you can see here, the pet is already enabled with coparenting. So that's the whole process where you need to set it up in the egg and just enter coparenting code. But when you have that, you also need to install the widget from here, and then you can just add these widgets, and then you can just add widgets on the home screen or lock screen. You can select the size of the widgets, or like a small one, and then you just save it here, and then just tap and hold on any screen where you want to install this. Tap plus and then search for Widgetable. From here, select the small widget or large widget, which one you saved, and then edit widget. And from here in widget style, you select the path you saved here. And that's basically how you selected it. If your path is on your screen, it will appear here. If it's on your friend's screen, then it will appear there. So that's basically the idea of this coparenting, that path will travel between your phone and your friend's phone. And you can also install it on your lock screen.